Good morning, students. I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking 4th standard English subject. Today's our topic is Ranthambore National Park. So, students, in our previous class, we have learned about the Mehul and his family were going to the trip for a week in the Ranthambore National Park. So Mehul and his sister very excited for the trip. Ranthambore is in eastern Rajasthan, about 180 km from Jaipur. Mehul's family lived in Mumbai. They left Mumbai on Friday by a train. They left Mumbai on Friday by a train. So it was going to take about 15 hours to reach to Savai Madhepur station, the nearest train station. The train journey was fun. Also, they were served dinner on the way. They reached the Savai Madhepur station. After reaching there, Mel's father rented a car and drove with the entire family to the national park. The distance between the railway station and the park is just 14 kilometers. They started their journey towards the park. The road to the entry point was lined with banyan, dhok, peepal and cluster of mango trees. It was hard, rocky terrain on the both sides. Ranthambore Park is famous for its tigers and favorite with photographers. The national park has different kinds of trees like aquatic plants, birds, reptiles including the marsh crocodile and mammals. Now let's continue the lesson. There are some leopards in the Ranthambore Tiger Reserve. Tigers can be seen near the lakes. The park also has a large number of panthers. The Ranthambore Fort, built in the 10th century, the oldest fort in Rajasthan. The entry point to the park goes straight to the foot of the fort and the forest rest house called the Jogi Mahal. It has the second largest banyan tree in India. Mel's family have booked their stay in the Tiger Den Resort. Mehul and his sister Sanjana were very excited to see two tigers near the lake. On the third day of their visit, Sanjana went cold looking at them. Mehul pulled out his camera quietly and took a photograph. What an experience it was! Dad, for all the fun we are having, the entry fee to this park is nominal, said Mehul. You are right, Mehul, agreed Dad. Mehul and his family had an unforgettable holiday. Dear students, in the park, in the Ranthambore National Park, there are some leopards in the Ranthambore Tiger Reserve. Tigers can be seen near the lakes. This park is famous for the tigers. So, the tigers can be seen near the lakes. The park has also a large number of panthers. Along with the tigers, the park has large number of panthers. The Ranthambore Fort, built in the 10th century. This Ranthambore Fort is built in the 10th century. It is very oldest fort in Rajasthan. Where it is situated? It is situated in eastern Rajasthan. The entry point to the park goes straight to the foot of the fort. The entry point to the park directly goes to the foot of the fort. and the forest rest house. There is a forest rest house and it is called the Jogi Mahal. It is the second largest banyan tree in India. It is the forest rest house called the Jogi Mahal and it is the second largest banyan tree in India. Mehul's family have booked there to stay the Tiger Den Resort. They have booked the Tiger. Mehul and his family lived in Mumbai. They visited the Rajasthan to the Ranthambore National Park. So Mehul's family booked. They have to stay. So they have booked the Tiger Den Resort. Mehul and his sister Sanjana. Mehul's sister name is Sanjana. Was very excited to see two tigers near the lake. This park is famous for the tigers. So the Sanjana and the Mehul were very excited to see the tigers near the lake. And the third day of their visit, the third day of their tour, Sanjana went cold looking at them. Sanjana went cold looking at them means Sanjana afraid by seeing the tigers. Sanjana went afraid looking at them. Mehul pulled out his camera quietly and took a photograph. So by seeing this, Sanjana afraid by looking the tigers. So Mehul pulled out his camera to take her photograph. Wow, what an experience it was. So, Dad, for all the fun, we are having the entry fee to the park is nominal, said Mehul. So, here Mehul said to his dad, entry fee. The entry fee of the park is nominal. Nominal means a very small amount which is much less than something really worth. Yes, it is really worth it because they are enjoying lot there and they have much more to see there. So, you are right, Mehul. Agreed, Dad. Here, Mehul's dad agreed what the Mehul said. So, Mehul and his family had an unforgettable holiday. Here Mehul and his family enjoyed lot there and it is a unforgettable moment or a unforgettable vacation to the Mehul's family. So here we completed our lesson Ranthambore National Park. Now we will do exercises. True or false? Right? True or false? First one, Ranthambore is in western Rajasthan. Answer is false. Ranthambore is in eastern Rajasthan. Ranthambore is in western Rajasthan. Answer is false. Once again I repeat, Ranthambore is in western Rajasthan. Answer is false. Second one, Mehul lived with his family in Jaipur. Answer is false. Mehul lived with his family in Mumbai. Next one, Mehul had a sister named Sanjana. Answer is true. Next one, Ranthambore National Park is famous for tigers. Answer is true. Ranthambore National Park is famous for tigers. The forest rest house is called Jogi Mahal. Yes, the forest rest house is called Jogi Mahal. Answer is true. Now it's time to take the homework. Read and write true or false. Page number 28. Write in your English homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.